In this video, I will show you how to set up a multiplayer session in Supermarket Together on Roblox, so you can manage your grocery empire with your friends. This simulation game by Bamboo ST is all about splitting the action to handle the rush, and getting started is very straightforward. When you first land on the game page, you will see that this experience supports large server sizes of up to 50 people, but the real magic happens when you organize a private group. To play with specific friends, you should look for the option to create a save with a password. By setting a unique password for your save file and sharing it with your group, you effectively create a private space where only the people you invite can join in. This prevents random players from interfering with your store layout or finances. Keep in mind that as you add more players to your supermarket, the customers will actually become more demanding, which adds a great layer of challenge to the cooperative gameplay. If you want a head start before your friends join, you can use the current active code OUTSTANDING125K to claim a free reward. The developers are constantly updating the game, recently adding new licenses to expand your inventory and fixing bugs like unclickable unlock items. Once your password-protected server is live, just have your friends enter the code you created to start stocking shelves together. I hope this walkthrough helps you get your retail team organized and ready for business. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simulation tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have managed to unlock all the new licenses yet.